Hello mga amigas, tanamams, atis, kuyas, dads, inangs, and tatangs. Today is a beautiful day, but before that, I would like to say thank you to my subscribers. For those who are new, do not fail to subscribe to Mommy Scrups channel. So today, our video again is all about plants. So you know what is this kind of plant? This plant belongs to family Araceae. Okay, so check the color, check the shape. So this plant belongs to family Araceae. So probably you have this one, but what could be the common name for this kind of plant? When this was given to me by my co-teacher, according to her, they call this one as Mickey Mouse. Okay, Mickey Mouse. Okay, ano siya, Mickey Mouse. But actually, the common name for this one is, there are three identified. Five fingers. Actually, this is not 5 fingers as of the moment. Okay, but they call this one as leaves. Okay, or tri-leaf wonder. Okay, anong tri-leaf wonder man? It is because there are 3 leaves. Tulo daw kuno ka dahon. Okay? Which is different from what you have at home. This one is very different. This kind of plant, there are 2 distinct characters that you are going to look into so that you will not be confused. First, having these lobes. Okay, it is lobed. How many lobes are there? I am going to count 1, 2, 3. So tri-lobe. For this kind of genus, other plants has 3 to 5 lobes. But mine, this one, which is my friend call it as a Mickey Mouse, there are 3 lobes. 1, 2, 3. That is why it is named as tri-leaf wonder. Okay. And another distinct character for having this kind of plant having the tri-lobes is the presence of a bigger leaf and 2 it looks like that of an ears, which is gamay, very small. See? For this kind of plant is monocotyledon. Okay? When it is still the juvenile leaf, the underside, the abacial is lime or light green. But for adult, okay, this one is the adult. We know that it is an adult because of the extra there is an extension of the other, it looks like that of a leaf. Okay, look at the abacial of the adult leaf, darker than that of the juvenile. This one is juvenile, this one is adult. Another distinction for juvenile and this kind of plant, when it is still a juvenile, there is no extension at the lowest leaf. Okay, for this kind of plant, leaf is sagittate, arrow-like. The presence of petiole, okay, petiole are soft. And another thing at the petiole, the presence of a sheath. Okay, this one is the sheath. Okay, this one is the sheath. Okay, it is also undulate. Okay, undulate, curve, mura siya curly. Okay, leaf tip or apex acute to acuminate. Base, okay, base is rounded. Okay, but those are, okay, these are the base. Kindly check. So what is the scientific name for this kind of plant? This is plant, this plant belongs to family Araceae, genus Syngodium, species Auritum. Okay, just like that of the ears. For genus Syngodium, there are around 35 to 41 species. So this is just one of the species of this Syngodium. So again, family Araceae, genus Syngodium, species Auritum. Kay mura siya, it looks like that of an ear. So kindly check. So this one is an adult. When it becomes adult, okay, kay we will know the adult leaf kay it is found at the bottom. Okay, the presence of extension. This one, extension. But when it is still a juvenile, we know that it is a juvenile. Why? Because it is at the upper portion. How do we propagate this? Okay, how is this propagated? The stem, it is a climber actually. So, the stem grows upward. When you see the stem with having the roots, we can cut that one below the node. So this is the node and this is the stem. We cut that one and then place that plant it in a medium which is well drained. So it needs a moist soil. Okay, so it can be drained. So again, this kind of plant is, it belongs to family Araceae. If you noticed, okay, you can clearly see the midrib. At the midrib, if you are going to see it at the abacial, the midrib is protruded. But at the adacial, it goes downward. So this is the midrib. It is waxy, shiny actually, shiny. And comparing with the juvenile, this is the juvenile, lighter green. But when it becomes an adult, it is evergreen or dark green. So this one is Syngodium auritum. Okay, kindly check our Syngodium auritum. Okay, with the presence of the sheath at the, this is the pitule. Sorry. So this is the pitule of the Syngodium auritum. So that is our Mickey Mouse. It is different with other Syngodium. This one is very big. How do we propagate? By cuttings. Okay, the stem are very short, but when if you notice that when there are roots coming out, aerial roots coming out, you can readily cut that one. So in other words, this kind of plant, it grows upward. It is a climber. So see, kindly check our Syngodium auritum. See how big. So this one, okay. So thank you so much for watching my video. For those who are new, do not fail to subscribe to Mommy Scrups channel. Shout out to my new subscribers. I have noticed that those who views my channel are non-subscriber. I am encouraging you, please patronize your tanamams or plant moms. Thank you and God bless everybody. This is again Syngodium auritum. It belongs to family Araceae. Thank you and God bless. Stay safe, everybody.